Good afternoon, everyone. I want you to meet the members of my family. Let's start with my tita. What is your name?
My name is Restine Alarde.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday was on April 11, year 2000.
Where do you live?
I live in San Pedro, Santo Tomas, Batangas.
What grade are you?
I am now in second year college.
What school are you in?
I am studying on PUP.
What is your job and to your family?
My job to my family is to cook.
The next one is my mama. What is your name?
My name is Andrea Corpus.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday was April 20, year 1992.
Where do you live?
I live in San Pedro, Santo Tomas, Batangas.
What grade are you in?
I'm finished studying.
What is your job and to your family?
I am housewife and taking good care of the family.
The last one is my papa. What is your name?
My name is John Paul P. Corpus.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
When is your birthday?
Birthday is February 10, 1999.
Where do you live?
I live in San Pedro, Santo Tomas, Batangas.
What grade are you?
I'm done studying.
What is your job and to your family?
I'm working as a technician and I'm working hard for my family.
My name is Dixie A. Corpus. I am 6 years old. My birthday is February 6, 2014. I live in Block 19, Lot 31, Primera Subdivision, San Pedro, Santo Tomas, Batangas. I am in grade 1. My school is in Santo Tomas South Central School. My job to my family is to take good care of my little brother named Kael. Merry Christmas!